So I just wanted to make a quick video on this parallel door mechanism. There's not actually much to talk about because this is just a prototype for one of my bigger projects. But the way this works is that as long as you have these arms that are the exact same length, and if they are parallel to each other, this door right here will actually only move in parallel to the base. And the distance that the arm can move is gonna depend on the angle and the radius of the arm. For my case, I have 49 millimeters for the arm, 20-degree angle, so it's only 16 millimeters. But you know, you can of course change that with your parameters. I'm not gonna upload the files for this, but if anyone does want, just leave a comment. I will, just because I'm not really too happy with this. Oh yeah, by the way, the way I'm fitting these in is that I made this quick little snapping mechanism right here. I can't really remove this, which is why I don't want to upload this, but if someone does want the files, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.